All right, so today is, I don't even know what today is, January 20 something, and I am still in Zimbabwe. I am at Eden somewhere, I don't even know, with a lot of goats, and the team is giving injections like a flea tick situation to help the goats live because unfortunately they are dying. And the flies here are just so aggressive, so I'm just trying to keep my spirits up. And I was like, hey, let's have a video moment so I can get myself together. But you see the sky, like the clouds are like so blue and great back there. And yeah, I'm just, I don't know, looking forward to getting out of here. Oh, there they are. See? Look at that one. It's doing a little something over there. And the lighting is perfect. This one is a little infected. He got some situations going on. Can you see him? Look at him. Not good. So we need to pray for him. So I'll come back because people are like looking at me and I don't want them to think I'm weird or anything.